Hi, this is Serendipitous Living. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Keep watching if you want to see my peasant girl makeup look. Like and subscribe, please. And in the comment section down below, let me know what else you want to see. So first, I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. And I used my Benefit eyebrow brush as well, etched it in there. Next, I put on my Ardell Wispy Lashes, number 122, using House of Lashes eyelash adhesive. Then I applied NARS blush in the color Orgasm with a Wet n Wild contour brush. And then I applied my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Illuminating Powder in the color Heat Wave. I used ELF's highlighting brush. Next, I used NYX's HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color Cocoa. And I used a Wet n Wild contour brush to do the contour. And last but not least, I used Kylie Jenner's matte liquid lipstick in the color Brown Sugar for my lips. And that is how I got this look. It's like effortless, but not effortless looking. It's subtle. And I really, really like it. It turns out. You can get a peasant dress, at the mall too, or the style of peasant dress, and put your hair in a ratty French braid, or just leave it down. It helps if you have long flowy hair. And that's how you can achieve this look. So I hope you liked this. I'm not sure what to call it. Some people told me calling it a tutorial. Some people told me calling it a tutorial would be wrong because I'm not showing you how to apply the makeup. This could be a tutorial without application. So right now I'm just going to call it a makeup look. I give you all the tools you need to achieve the look. You just have to apply it yourself. I tried to do a video of me applying this, and technically I succeeded. But it was 19 minutes long, and it wouldn't go, the video wouldn't go into the video editor, and YouTube wouldn't accept it because it was too long, and it was just this whole ridiculous thing. So I figured this would be better. So know that I did try to do a video of me applying makeup. It didn't necessarily work out, so I don't know what the future has in store. But I know I'm not going to be applying makeup in my videos anytime soon until I feel like I can really get it down. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. You're the best. I have the best subscribers and viewers I love all the support. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.